In this video, we're going to take a look at using formulas when working with tables in Word. Here I have a table, and here I have some data. I have some raw data here, some values. I want to total these particular values, and to do so, I click Table Tools, Layout, and click the Formula button. The formula by default will be sum and to the left. It found values to the left, and therefore it has sum to the left. I can change the number format if I'd care to. You can also do custom formats if you know how to do that, and you can paste a different function. A word on that in a moment. I click OK, and here I have this particular total of these three cells. If I do that same procedure again, if I click Formula, notice it is now sum above. I can change that to left and then click OK. A faster way to do this, though, would be to simply copy this particular formula, this particular field, Control-C to copy, highlight the cells that I wish to paste that particular field or function formula into, Control-V to paste, and I have done so. The values are all the same because this does not update automatically. It's not an Excel spreadsheet. It does not auto-calculate. You must manually update any particular field or formula. You do that by pressing the F9 key, and that is now your answers. These are your answers. You can also do the same thing here. I do the totals. Notice that this is going to be sum above. For what it's worth, you have above, left, right, and below. Those particular directional arguments do not work with all of the particular functions that you can use here. They only work with average, count, max, min, product, and sum, your basic sort of formulas. But I'm going to do the sum above. I click OK, and again, I simply copy, highlight the cells where I wish to paste, and then press the F9 key to update. The update would also apply if I were to take this particular value, say, and change that from 10,000 to 1,000. This value and this value did not change. I need to update them. A quick way to do that would be to simply select the entire table and press your F9 key, and there you have it. Now, a quick word, though, on tables in formulas. Here I have a table, and I already have the values here. What if I wanted to average this? I want to average this particular column. I can click the formula, and I want to change that to average, so I delete up to the equal sign. I need the equal to create the formula. I can then do the average, and I can average above, and click OK. This is incorrect because it contains the total of the raw data. So the average that I want to use, the average, I only need these. I need these particular cells, not that one. You can create formulas in a Word table as you would an Excel spreadsheet. That is, this is column A. Oops, sorry. This is column A. This is column B. This is column C. This would be row 1, row 2, etc. So what I would want to do here is not average above. I would want to average the cells B2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, the range B2 through B6, and you can do that. I select the Table Tools Layout, Formula. Again, I delete everything up to the equal sign, the equal key. I select average, or I could even type it. But now I can type in the cell range B2 colon, or go to B2, B6, average B2 through B6, and I can click OK. And now I have the appropriate average for these particular values. So you can use Excel formulas using the cells B1, B2, C3, C4, etc., and you can average, you can correct for any possible errors or values that you don't want to include. A final note, if you want to see the formulas, you press Alt F9. Alt F9 will reveal or show all of the fields or all of the formulas that you are using. It's a toggle. You simply press Alt F9 again and you're back to the values, not the formulas. I hope you found this useful. I hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching.